Hey guys! Are you want to buy best 3D pen? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video about best 5 3D pen that's are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentions in this video, you may check the link in description box below, and now let's continue. Starting at number 5, Mint 3D Super 3D Pen. The Mint 3D Super comes in a sleek plastic design that's light enough to be comfortable, yet heavy enough not to feel cheap. It operates on corded power, with one end going into the pen and the other end featuring a USB plug. That means you can use the included wall charger, a power bank, or even a computer to power this pen, but be aware that the cord is only about 3 feet long. The slim, angular design of this 3D pen allows for a comfortable grip that allows easy access to the feeder button. The Super feels natural in your hand and isn't too heavy. Maintenance is also made easier with the removable and replaceable nozzle. At number 4, Mint 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen. Mint 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen is a high-quality product for those who want to give 3D printing a try. The pen is lightweight and easy to use, which is ideal for children and beginners. It can work with most filaments, including PLA, ABS, PVA, and more. It features variable extrusion speed control and large OLED display to help monitor heat. The temperature can be adjusted from 130 to 240 C in 1 degree increments, to help fine-tune the thickness and flow rate of extruded material. It has a power output of 10 watts with an input power of 5 volts/DC2A, so it can be used safely outdoors as well. FCC, CE and RoHS certified. Turn your ordinary drawings into 3D works of art. If you're interested in 3D printing, we recommend you try this pen. At number 3, Doodler Create Plus 3D Printing Pen. The Doodler Create Plus is the newest 3D printing pen from Doodler. For those not in the know, 3D printing pens use plastic filament to draw physical designs, like a kind of handheld 3D printer. Fun enough for children to enjoy, they also have more adult creative applications in art and design. The Doodler 3D printing pens have been around in various guises for a few years now, but the latest versions have felt more complete, while retaining their fun nature. We've tested the Create Plus and created this comprehensive review to help you make an informed choice. And our second product is Mint 3D Basic 3D Pen. The Mint 3D combine visionary engineering with cutting-edge manufacturing to bring you innovative products that are built to tolerate a lifetime of use. Overbuilt from the highest quality, environment-first materials, our products will stick with you to the end. The Basic 3D Pen offers a user-friendly entry into the world of 3D art for those not needing advanced features, and compatible with the same widely available and inexpensive ABS and PLA that 3D printers use. Also extrude in slow, medium or fast speeds to create intricate designs or fill in large spaces. The sealed nozzle and overbuilt gearbox ensure clog-free operation and requires common USB-AC adapter with at least 2A or 2000 mAh of power. Now our last product is Scribd 3D P1 3D Printing Pen. The Scribd 3D P1 3D Printing Pen features a stepless speed function designed for optimal speed control no matter the task. The temperature of the P1 pen can be easily adjusted for ABS or PLA printing filaments, and the speed can be tuned up or down using the tactile slider switch on the side of the pen. This 3D pen set comes with a high-quality 3D pen, assorted colors of PLA plastic, a stencil guide with 6 free projects, and a 100 to 240 volts AC 50/60ths of a Hertz adapter. As well as being easy to use and well engineered, the P1 pen is FCC, CE and RoHS certified. To use, plug the adapter into the back of the pen and choose your filament. The red light will turn on indicating warm up. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Double-click the forward button to start and feed the filament through the back of the pen. Once the filament has reached the nozzle of the pen, click forward to stop. Press and hold the forward button or double-click for a continuous flow. Once you have completed your design, press and hold the reverse button to retract filament. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.